Hello guys, welcome to the master class of advanced photo manipulation. Most of us know the basics of Photoshop, how to use masks, how to use filters and the adjustments, but none of us actually know how to create visuals like this using Photoshop. So what is the reason why I suck at photo manipulation? Isn't it all about using the tools of Photoshop? The short answer, no. Photo manipulation itself is a skill, and to master this skill you need to understand some concepts, like understanding the composition rules, knowing how to match lightness values, how to match color and the saturation of each element to make a cohesive design, and also how to draw light and shadow precisely, and finally putting the final effects and the final grading. And that is exactly what we are going to learn in our class. So without any further ado, let's start our journey.